All right, Mustang fans, here we go. Take a look at this one. 2020 Ford Shelby GT500. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually, two-owner car is all. Actual miles at 2423, so 2,423. Oxford white, ebony with gray accent interior. Kona blue, vinyl over the top stripes. Nice color combination underneath the hood, of course. 5.2 liter supercharged V8 power. That's paired up with that 7-speed Tremec dual clutch automatic. Should get a good look at the front fascia, grille, chin spoiler. Nice shape. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let's give you a good look, close up at the front right wheel. Big Brembo brake behind there. Of course, disc all the way around on this one. Excellent performance cars, a lot of bang for the buck, no doubt about that. This one comes with the technology package, also the handling package, and as you can see, the vinyl side stripe. Passenger side, not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Car's been well maintained and taken care of, adult owned and driven. There's a look at those Recaro bucket seats, center console. We will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I believe this was chassis 788. You'll see that in the still pictures too. Every angle possible on the interior as well as the exterior, and again the undersides, engine bay, trunk. Coming around to the rear of the car, as you can see, dual exhaust. Big GT500 spoiler. A few things that are going to go along with this. Car cover in the bag, front license plate bracket if you need it for any reason. And then there was, what, oil separator, I believe this was, oil mist separator. And the front bumper hardware conversion kit, it looks like. If you know about the GT500s, looking at one of these, I know you're going to know what that is. Go ahead and put it down below in the comments if you would like, if you happen to see this and are watching and listening to this video. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Tell you what, if you like Mustangs, no matter what year, what model, what style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, up and down this driver's side, again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It's what you'd expect with a clean Carfax, two-owner, a little over 2,400 miles. All right, interiors, take a peek at this. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirror. This would have manual seats, both sides of those Recaros. Very comfortable seating. Of course, all the steering wheel control and everything is going to come in that technology package as well as the handling package. All right, how about the best part? Let's fire this up. So push button start. There's exact miles, 2423 at the moment. That may change by a couple miles just as the car would get moved in our indoor showroom. Of course, incredible stereo systems in these. Oil pressure gauge, oil temp. There's a good close look up at that GT500 badging on the dash, chassis 788. Dash looks good, no warning indicators, anything like that. Get a good look at that heat extractor hood. Let's listen. there's a little rumble. Then again, 5.2 liter supercharged V8 power. Gonna go ahead and release this hood. There it is, the goods, so to speak. Mr. Dave Larson hand assembled this one, by the way. Here's all stock from everything that I have looked at on the car and seen. Horse strut tower brace. A lot of performance in this package, no doubt about that. You want a fun car, here it is. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Clean Carfax, a little over 2,400 miles. No accidents indicated, 2-owner car. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week. Only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving in a 2020 Ford Mustang GT500. Chassis number 788. Got a plaque right here. Of a limited number. Looking great and beautiful. White with blue. We've got black interior. Stereo sounds great. Let's see how she does on the highway. Now I've got it in drive mode. But you know, just like a small handful of seconds and we're well over the speed limit. You also have manual mode, and you can paddle shift right here with the manual mode. Full assortment of controls for nearly everything on the steering wheel. Form-fitted steering wheel and a nice soft material. This car really performs. And we've got form-fitting bucket seats from Recaro. Beautiful black interior. They got the AC blowing cold right now. Our oil pressure is reading 60 psi. The temperature about 190. That's looking right where it should be. Screens for gauges, simulating needles and a large digital number. This car right now less than 2,500 miles. Showing on the screen there. So if you're looking for state-of-the-art 2020 with, you know, basically new condition, check this one out. Oh, and it is all kinds of fun to push the throttle. Find the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.